walks with him. He goes,
Oh, wow.
What do you say?
What do you say? Hi.
he said, what are you doing?
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 Dylan. He says, Dylan.
Dylan. Hey, Dylan. Can you say hi for Dylan? Who's Dylan?
My son, he's just loves Dylan.
Look at that, Vera. You want to hold him? You want to hold him? Good job.
Good job.
Wow.
Oh, she's really keeping her cool.
Say hi. Hi. He says hi.
Going for a kiss.
Yes.
Vera, stick your finger out.
He wants you to do that. You know, you go. He goes,
Look what she's going for.
and then you go.
Good job, Vera.
He's like, heck no.
Like mommy? Look. No? It's just like, no, he feels funny. It's just his nails. And his hands.
Is it male or female?
I'm not sure. I
What do you
really
name it?
want to mate him,
Yeah.
her,
Yeah.
but I mean, I'll make $1 million.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
It's really rare?
What is it called?
It's African gray. It's from Africa.
Oh, wow.
Oh
Is it a
yeah,
cockatoo
the best talker ever.
Wet and Wild movie from
And
last
are
night.
these the ones
Yeah.
that live like 50 years or something?
75.